All right, so I got those lights installed. I actually made a video of how to install them, or just showing me installing them, and I lost the video, so whatever. It's probably going to be a boring video anyway, but they're done. So here, I want to show you how much of a difference that it's made. Like, that's bright, hey? So that's a lot better than it was before. So anyway, I got that done, and these came in the mail, so I'm pretty excited about this. So this is the casters that I'm going to put under the workbench. And so basically the way it works is you sort of like step on this lever here, and then the bench like lifts up just slightly, and then you can maneuver it around. So the first thing I did was just sort of take everything out of the box and assemble what needed to be assembled. Like, installing these bad boys is pretty simple. Basically all you do is you're going to measure where you want it to be, or it's actually just follow the instructions and measure where they're supposed to be. Then install them with the provided screws. They give you Phillips screws and they strip pretty easily, but you know, you can get it done. Put everything together, and then they work just like this. You just step on them, the thing lifts up, and you can maneuver it around. So I'll link these in the description so you can get a set yourself. I really like how easy it is to push the table around, and when you put it down, it's a really stable work surface. They're really great. I do really like these. I got the storage bin rack system done, and then I just kind of moved the catch-all rack over in between that and the skis. So that's sort of where it goes for now. I'm gonna do a full how-to video on that in the next run, but I'll give you a quick preview. Nobody watches these videos anyway, so I'm gonna give you a quick preview of how this works. So I got all the bins stacked up. If I want to get to the top bin or this bin, I can open it up and I can get to it from here. I can leave stuff on top, but then when I really want to get to them, I just lower it down, and now I can get to every single bin. And like I said, I can leave stuff on top of there, and it's sort of their shelves, and then I can just, you know, take the tops off the bins and get at it. So it's actually going to be a really cool and usable feature. Again, I'm going to let you in a little secret, because again, nobody watches these videos. I'm thinking about having a second drop-down portion of a sort of like another workbench, so I can have workstation here and then another workstation there. I came up with that last night, so I haven't figured out the details, but I think that's going to be a really cool one too. Anyway, put this back, just lift it up, and then just got a locking pin there. So yeah, check for that in the next video, and yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you now. I'm pretty excited about these lights. They just kind of clip together. It was really easy to install them. So I still haven't had anybody give me the right answer to what town that is, so I'm gonna have to start giving some clues. First person to tell me what town that is the town in BC. There's your hint. We'll get this Milwaukee Robertson driver a bit, and that cool bottle cap opener. So yeah, throw in your answers, and first person, I'll send this to you. All right, check you out in the next video.